How to create a group chat on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can make a Snapchat group chat. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to create a Snapchat group, all you have to do is first of all open Snapchat. Then just come to the chats icon by tapping the chat icon from the bottom of the screen. Then over here you can see some of the specific chats, and I'm also a group of some of the chats members. So basically, if I want to make my own group, you just tap the blue circle from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Then over here it will simply ask you to create a new group, right? So if I tap on it here, you'll find the new group option. Just tap on new group. So I just need to enter my group name. So let's say I just select Snap group over here. Once I do that, I have to select the number of people I want to add to this. So I'll just select a specific people from this list, and then I'll just tap on chat with group button, and they will be successfully added to my group chat. And this is simply how you can make a Snapchat group chat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.